We're really grateful. Okay. So you've got these checks. You're doing 4h equals 16. So what is the variable?
K.
I'm doing 4h equals 16. So the variable is?
K.
4h
oh,
equals 16.
H.
H,
Oh my
yes.
God. I thought it was all of the same color, or
let's make it different color.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. So put this off to the side. Where does this go?
Yeah.
Well, remember, we're setting up the equation first. So it's going to be the variable h, right?
Then 4.
Multiply by 4, right? What does 4h mean? 4 times h. Right?
4 times h.
Now, if we want to get the variable h alone, what do?
Divide.
Divide, good. So you just flip 4. Move it over to this side, right? Yeah, sure.
So 16 divided by 4. 4.
Good. So h is?
4.
Yep. And here's also another way to do it with the chips. We have 4 yellow chips, right?
Yes.
And how many red chips do we have?
16.
Okay, so we want to see how many times does 4 go into 16? In other words, how many times can we break up 16 into 4s, right? So let's see, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many groups is that?
4.
4. What's your answer? Okay, you need a pencil?
Yeah. Don't worry, I have a pen.
Okay.
Okay, so.
Good. Let's do problem 5m equals 10.
This.
What's the variable?
M.
M, good.
By 5.
Mm-hmm.
4, 5. That's right. Divided by
5, yeah.
so you need 2.
Good. Right, another way to see it is how many times does 5 go into 10? Because we're going to make piles of 5.
2.
5 and 5. Just 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you have a good sense of multiplication and how to find the variables when you're multiplying. Let's do division. Are you ready?
Kinh nào.
If you can multiply, you can definitely do division. Okay. Let's work on this sheet.
Okay.
Okay. So here, let's work on the first problem. Can you read the first problem for me?
X divided by 2 equal 5.
Okay. So what's the variable in that question?
X.
Okay. So x divided by 2 equals
5.
5. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's the opposite of division?
Multiplication.
Okay. So what are we going to multiply in both sides?
2.
2. Good.
So
We multiply by 2, right? That cancels out. And then we move it to the next one. On the right side, 5 times 2. Very good.
5. 10.
10. See, not bad, right?
Yeah, married.
Times 2. Can I show you how you want to see it on the paper? So your original, let me use the board actually, so you can have this paper. Your original question was x over 2 equals 5, right? We multiplied what by both sides?
2.
Good. So here you're multiplying 2, and here you're multiplying 2,
Oh.
right? What happens to this?
It cancels out.
Good. Cancels out. So you get what?
10. X equal 10.
Right? That's how you would visually see it on the paper. And that's also how you would write this on the paper. Okay? Questions?
No.
Should we move on to the next problem?
You add, divide, multiply through both sides.
Good. What is the variable?
H.
Mm-hmm.
So H equals 15.
What is 7 times 3? What did you put in the calculator?
20.
So what does H equal?
21.
21, yes.
So
Essentially, this means 7 times 3 means piles of 7. How many times? 7, when you do 7 times 3, this means piles of 7. How many times?
20.
How many piles of 7 do we want?
21.
No.
No, 3.
Yes, exactly. When you do 7 times 3, what it means is you have 3 piles of 7.
Oh.
Okay?
Okay.
So when you count the yellow chips, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. That's what multiplication means, right? Let's do k divided by 5 equals 4. Do you have any questions? Are you okay?
Yeah,
Want
it
some
picks up.
water?
No, it's okay. So, so variable.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So you multiply 4
Yeah.
times 5. So 4 times 20.
Yep.
So k equal 20.
Good. Very good. Okay. I want to show you how to find the variable when you're dividing negative numbers. Right? Sometimes you have positive numbers, but sometimes you have negative numbers, right? So let's say this is g divided by negative 6. Negative 6. Okay? What we're going to do is we're going to do the variable, divide, and we're going to use these red as negative. Okay? Equals 1. Right? So we're going to do the exact same thing as we've been doing the last 3 problems. You're going to multiply both sides by what?
Negative 6.
Good. Multiply both sides by negative 6. This cancels out the left side, right? It's going to be 1 times negative 6.
So negative 6.
Yep. So g equals yep, g equals negative 6.
So
Okay, good. Let's work on this problem. N divided by 9 equals
2.
negative 2.
Negative 2.
Okay?
Okay, so
You can use these.
okay, so so
You don't have to use these strips if you don't want to. It might be easier just to do it on the paper.
so n equal. So this cancel out.
Very
so
good.
Negative 2 times 9. Negative 18.
Yep. Good. Yep. Good. Okay. You have a good hang on it?
Yeah.
It's not hard.
I know, but
Kind of? You know,
It's okay.
it's okay?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to go back to this problem, to multiplication. And I want to review negative numbers when you're multiplying. Okay? So let's work on negative 3t equals 9. What's the variable here?
T.
T, okay? So let's set this up with our chips. We have red for negative, right? And this is, what are we doing? Multiplying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Equals 9.
So you divide negative 3 from both.
Good. Yeah.
So it's cancel out.
Yes.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
So negative 3 times.
No.
Wait. So 9 times negative 2.
Are we doing times or what are we doing?
Negative 3 divided by 9.
Why don't you write on your paper what you've been doing for the other problems? Right? You're dividing negative 3 by both sides, like you just told me, right? So what is this?
So 9 divided by negative 2. I can fix this up. 9 divided by negative 3.
So 9
Negative
divided
3.
by negative 3.
T equal negative 3.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Let's do another one with negative numbers. Negative 7n equals 14.
So you divide negative 7 on both sides.
Good, yes.
Let's cancel out. So n equal 14. 14 divided by negative 7 equal negative 2.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay. So before we give you a very short quiz to see how you do you want to go over addition and subtraction with variables, or do you think you're good with that?
I think so.
You want to go over it, or you're okay? Okay. Let's go over it. Let's do x minus 32 equals 11. Okay.
So like you add 32 on both sides.
Very good. Yes.
So x equal, this cancel out. X equal 11 plus 32.
Yes.
X equal 42.
Mm-hmm. Very good. All right, let's do this one.
And so you add 25 on both sides.
Yes. N minus 25 equals negative 30. So you just said you're adding 25 on both sides.
Yeah.
Good.
So n equal, this cancel out, and negative 30 plus 25.
Yes.
Negative 5.
Mm-hmm.
N equal 5.
All right. That's awesome. Okay, let's do addition. Let's review on that, all right?
Oh, my name.
Yes. Let's work on z plus 26 equals 27. What is the variable in that equation?
Z.
Z is the variable, okay?
Okay, so you subtract negative 26 from both sides.
You subtract what on both sides?
Negative 26.
Is it positive or negative? You're subtracting 26 from both sides.
So
When you say you're subtracting negative 26, that's not right.
what's that?
You're only subtracting 26.
So what do you say? So okay, 26.
Yes, exactly. Subtracting 26. Good. What cancels out?
26. So at 27 minus 26. 27 minus 26. What?
Ms. Tellers, please call 1407. Ms. Tellers, 1407.
So, yes, this is the subtract button. This is the negative button. So if you're subtracting, you have to press this button on the calculator, right?
Okay. So 27 negative 1. So z equal 1.
Yes.
Right. 1.
Okay, good. Let's do this one. Y plus 10 equals 10. Oh, sorry. Y plus 10 equals 13. What's the variable?
Y.
Y.
So subtract 10.
That's right. Subtract 10 from both sides.
So this cancel out. So y equal 13 10. Oh, 13.
Subtract.
Subtract negative. No, wait, 10. 3.
Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Now we're going to work on negative numbers. Okay. Z plus 19 equals negative 20. What's your variable?
Z.
Good.
So plus negative 19 whole time.
Mm-hmm.
So this cancels out. Z equal. So negative 22.
Very good.
Negative 41.
Very good. All right, Roy. All right, you're ready. You're ready.
I don't think so.
Let me see. You're gonna do just fine. And you know, this is just to tell us what you are good in. Time, yeah. And what you need help on. Okay? So you're gonna work on these 2 sheets on your own with a calculator. Okay?